Today, I'm making something a little different. An upside-down apple dessert with deep caramelized apples, but all the warm spices you love from classic apple pie. Think Tarte Tatin meets spiced apple pie, rich, cozy, glossy, and completely irresistible. Let's make it. Just look at that puffed pastry, golden, tall, and perfectly puffed. See how it holds all the caramel inside? If you tuck the edges gently around the apples before baking, it keeps everything neat and prevents the syrup from spilling. This is exactly what makes it so beautiful and ready for the flip. Look at that glossy caramel and those tender apples. Flipped upside down, every slice is soaked in flavor. It's everything you love about apple pie. Richer, deeper, and beautifully caramelized. We've been making this apple pie for years and we never get tired of it. We love the upside down style, with just one buttery crust on the bottom, but all the warm spices of a classic American apple pie. Each bite melts in your mouth with soft, jammy apples wrapped in deep caramel. That perfect balance of sweet, buttery, and gently spiced flavors is exactly what makes this pie so special. Thank you for watching. And as always, keep tasting the world, one bite at a time. See you next time.